Is it yummy? Is Brooklyn eating a banana? Banana! Yum, 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 yum. Num, 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 num. Good girl. Good girl. Is it good? Yeah. No, you can't put the whole thing in your mouth, sweetie. It's a good thing it mushes easily. Oh, there's Abby. No banana for Abby.